Hi. In this video, I will discuss if you are in final year and doing computer science BTech. Uh, you might have thinking to go for a job. So this video is perfectly about is especially about finding job, how you will finding job, or you should decide for internship or go for a job. This video is only for that, or you should go for further studies for MTech or MBA. So this video is about that. So I don't know how I will start about telling about these things, but I will start about from my days when I was in BTech and when I was in final year. So I was having doubt that how will I get a job or how to find a job, genuine job, because a lot of fraud job also notification comes for them, right? So what is the good or perfect website for that, so that I will get a perfect job? And um, and of course, because I am in because you are in BTech computer science, so you must do a job which is related to your profile, which is related to an engineering. You should not go for a job like tech support or something. And nowadays I can see that there is very in a huge amount of students of BTech computer science, they are going for a tech support job, and this is really a very bad thing that they decide. So I will start discussing about that. Okay, fine. So when you will be in final year of your BTech, so you will be having lot of different kind of problems, and I can say that you get mental pressure, you get, right. So what confusion you will get is there are many kind of scenarios. For some students, it will be like you are having very less marks, you are having a carry paper, how will you get marks, how will you get job? And some students who are not having carry, so they think that okay, I don't have any carry, but I'm not good, I'm not very perfect for job. Some students think like you don't know anything, like you don't even know programming, you don't know C programming, you don't know algorithm, you don't know data structure. Then you get frustrated and you think at that time that how will I get job, what will I do after finishing my BTech, or when you should start searching for job after BTech, after getting degree, after getting the final mark sheet. Or even some people do what they do is when the marks is released, they still wait for 2-3 months to get the BTech degree in hand or provisional degree in hand. Not BTech degree, at least provisional degree in hand. They wait for it, but these things are not good. So these kind of problems come, and some more problems comes the people who think that they are useless, they don't know anything. Till 4 years they haven't studied anything, they don't have academics good, 10th, 12th, and even in engineering. And their parents or their relatives, they always tell you that you can't do anything, how will you get job? So please don't get frustrated by those kind of comments. This is literally not true. It's been approx 5 or 6 years that I completed my BTech, and now I am well experienced to guide you people that please don't take that kind of pressures. These things are really not true, that because you don't know anything about computer science and you will not get job, and that kind of job which is related to computer science, it is really not true. I will tell you the proper guidelines how to get a job. Okay. And one more situation, like some people who are getting good marks, and they have distinctions. So problem is with them also. What kind of problems are like, the relatives will tell that the neighborhood guy, he got job, when you will try, how will you get job? So he will get these kind of pressures. Or yeah, one more thing, that you don't want to go for a job, you want to go for a job, and your father or relatives will say that see your cousins, see your neighbors, they have gone for MTech, they have gone US. So don't bother about these things. See, always remember that you should not be having any options. If you will keep your mind like that if this will not work, then I will go for, if I will do, if you think that I will search job, if I will not get for 5 or 6 months, I will go for MBA, I will go for MTech. See, this is not really a very good decision. Always remember, in any kind of scenario, either in business, either in study, or either in getting job, there must be only one option. Only one option. Don't keep any options more than one. Right? Only keep one options. So especially this video is about only one options, and that is getting a job which is related to BTech Computer Science. And how to get it, I will guide you about that. Right? So first thing, okay, so very first point, always keep one option. Okay, fine, keep one option. And what is that option? That option is job. Always keep that option. Second thing is, I will let you know, see, it doesn't matter what you are having backlog or not, and start searching for job from a very beginning of the position. If you have just entered into the final year of your engineering, so this is the very best time to decide how to prepare resume, what you should study to get a job. So this is the best time. Don't delay, like when I will get degree, when I will get, when I will complete, when I will receive in my hand the final year of the final mark sheet of your engineering, then you will think what to do. This is very improper. Don't try this. Okay. So it is very best. What is the best time to to prepare for getting a job, to prepare all the knowledge which is related to computer science? The best time is your time starts from BTech final year starting time. But it doesn't matter. I will tell you the guidelines, and you decide that in which position you are and how you can follow it. Okay, fine. So first thing is, if you are in final year, so either job or internship. See, if you are in final year, go for internship. Go for internship. Difference between internship and job. See, difference between internship is, in many universities, internship is very mandatory. It has been told that until you will do internship in NIT, IITs, in the last 6 semesters, they have to go for internship. Otherwise, they will not get degree. They will not get BTech degree until they will complete the internship. So, and if your college is not having attendance problem, then you must enter into internship of 6 months, 7 months, and they will only convert you into a permanent job. Why internship is easy rather than job? Why it is easy? Why it is easy is because they know that this candidate, this employee is very new, this student is very new. So they think that you are not expecting much money, 20,000 or 25,000. Okay, they will give you 5,000, 6,000, minimum 5,000 you will get. But this minimum in worst case, but at least you will get between 8 to 15. You will get definitely. It comes. I will tell you the websites and all related to that, which gives a genuine internship call, and it is very important to do. It is very best. But internship is very easy. If you are low, I am telling for those people who don't know anything, who don't know C, who don't know C++, they will get internship. Just follow me what I am telling and just try it by patiently. Keep patience and try this. Fine. So they will give you 8 to 10,000, and you have to go in their office and you have to do. So by this, what is the benefit you will get? Benefit you will get is interview will be very easy rather than job. Interview will be very easy, and you will get a job you will get a job in computer science domain, BTech engineering domain. Okay. तो पीछे चल रहा है ना? So you will get job in BTech computer science. You will not get job in tech support or something. This is the very best benefit that you will get. Okay, fine. So always go for an internship. So the website for finding this internship, okay, I will tell you about that. Fine. So, and next is keep patience. Okay, patiently always try for internship. Continue try it. Okay, and one more thing is very important. It is like never go for tech support job. Okay, no, never go for tech support job. See, why people go for a tech support job if you have completed? Because if you will finish your engineering, so after that people think that okay, I have lot of money crisis, I have to support my family, so I have to do a job, and my relatives are telling something, my father is telling something that when you will get job, all your friends got job, please don't, friends are not going to help you, you are going to help yourself. Please don't do this. This is the worst thing I am saying in India about BTech people. Please don't do this. Okay, keep patience. You will get, and it is very true that compared to civil engineering, compared to mechanical engineering, it is easy to get job for a computer science engineers. Why it is easy? Because we guys are having a portal. Lot of genuine portals are there who are not going to take a single rupee from you, and they will give you a job. Okay, and really it is there. Okay, I will tell you how to do this, but you should having a proper guidelines. You should know that how to apply. You should know how to prepare a resume, and very important, and in the first point, you should know that what are the technologies important. See, if you are knowing how to apply on which website, but if you don't know what you should study, which language you should study to get a job, so this is not going to help you. So first, very important is, first thing, before doing this, very important is what you should study. If you will not study, and if you know how to apply for a job, you will not get job. You will fail in interview, right? So it is very important to know that what you should study. So you are in BTech final year, so decide what you should study. So first you should know that in which technology is very easy for you as of now. Is it easy for you to go for HTML, I mean web development? Is it easy? Web development is also not bad. UI development is also not bad. I'm telling you, it also gives a lot of money and you are in demand as of now. Okay, so what are the things that in demand as of now and how you will study that? I will tell you. First thing is, REST services. REST services. Okay, REST services using Spring Boot. Second is study Java. REST services, Java will take a long time, but I will write Java in very bottom. Okay. Second is in REST service, this is for backend. If you want to go in backend, so this REST service you should study. And what is that? Spring Boot, Spring, you should study that. And after that, study MySQL. Third is, if you want to go in UI development, if you want to go in web development or front end, so important things are, first is AngularJS, okay, Node.js, okay, and then CSS, yes, of course, HTML. See, HTML and CSS, these are very ABCD of computer science. You should not tell, everybody expect you that you know HTML. But if you don't know, study it. I will tell you the source from where you should. There is no need to do any course. See, every people who are getting job, do you believe that they do course, they do coaching for this? No. So how they are getting job? Because they know which is the place from where to get those kind of knowledge. Okay. So AngularJS you should study, web services and HTML. Yeah, and one more thing for web development, these days PHP. PHP is very old. Don't study PHP. And you know, in industry, the people who know in PHP, they don't recommend them. PHP is very old technology. Still, the people are using it. Don't study there. Why everywhere PHP name is there? Reason is because it is a very old technology and trainers know it very well, so they are not updating their mind from PHP to AngularJS or Bootstrap or JavaScript. They are not updating them. They are teaching the same thing in coaching or somewhere. They are only teaching the PHP and HTML, CSS and C Sharp. These are very old technologies. So go for a new one. These are the things in demand. See, if you will study these things: REST services, Spring Boot, MySQL, AngularJS, Node.js, CSS, HTML. Forget about PHP. Fine. So if you will study these things, and at last I will say yes. Fourth is Java and Python. Okay. So study these things. Okay, and what I will tell is, see, you will be, this can be done in 2 months also. So you will think that how will I master? See, there is no mastery required in this. No mastery is required. As like when you will get interview call, you will be asked like, okay, what is the use of REST services? Study in a very updated way. Just go through it. So I will tell you some. Go to YouTube and search for New Boston. New Boston. In New Boston channel, you will get all the lectures related to AngularJS and Node.js, CSS, HTML. I doubt about REST services. I will tell you some proper guidelines. I don't remember his name. I will just comment me if I forget. I will tell you the name of that channel about REST services. Okay, so when you will see New Boston, you don't know ABCD also of CSS, HTML, not ABCD. If you don't know what is C of CSS, if you don't know what is H of HTML, just go to New Boston, and how New Boston is telling you, you download that kind of tool, whatever tools for HTML, if they are using Eclipse or something. So download it and do in the same way what he is doing. Whatever code he is writing, you also write the code and save it somewhere. Okay. So what he do is, he will make one project. Whatever he will do, so from start to end, when you will complete it, so actually he give lectures on one product or one project. So if you have started from start to end, so actually you have done one complete project. So one complete project will be there for you for AngularJS, Node.js, CSS, Java, Python, everything will be there. So you will be having 5 or 6 projects ready in 2 months. Seriously, it is very true. And suppose you are having a company, and if some guy is having this kind of knowledge, at least some knowledge is there, so will you not hire that guy as an intern? Of course you will hire. So don't focus on success. Right now only focus on one thing, that you are going to complete these technologies. Only focus on that. No, don't focus on anything. See, if you will not complete this, nothing will happen on the next step. So first focus on one thing, that you complete this. Okay, so now you are ready for finding an internship. Now go to, for finding an internship or finding for best portal for job is naukri.com. Okay, naukri.com. It is very, someone tell me like Naukri is not best. It gives only tech support job. Okay, if they are giving you tech support job, don't accept it. I also get tech support job. Still now I get it. And generally, in one week, at least I get around 20 jobs. 20 jobs I get in 1 week. In 1 week, job notification related to computer science, not tech support. And before also, when I was very fresher, so that time also I was getting 15 or 16 job notification related to developer. Okay, don't go for testing also. Yeah, one more thing. Suddenly I remember, don't go for testing also. Testing is it will make your career a little bit slow. So it is, and if you have also completed BTech, then also go for internship. If you don't, if you want to start your career with a developer. Okay, so you will get a developer job very easy at the first time using an internship. Suppose it has gone 2 years. 2 years has lapsed. Still you go for internship. I'm telling you, please believe me. But before apply for this, go for internship. Please believe me. If you are pass out of 2013, 2015, still you go apply for internship. Please go through it, and I challenge you. I'm very sure. Okay, I have an experience about that, so that is the reason I'm telling. I'm very sure you will get internship, and suppose you are having a tech support job, then always do the same thing. Don't tell that I have worked for in tech support. Don't tell them. Just tell them that I was preparing for GATE or some preparation, so nothing has happened. So, and meanwhile I have studied, I have knowledge about algorithm something, and meanwhile I was preparing for all these technologies. I have done projects. So the project which you will do over there, show them. Okay. So now how to do? For internship, the best site is internshala.com. Okay, the site is internshala.com. Okay, this is the very best site, genuine site. Daily the updates will come for computer science internship. So apply for this on this. Okay, register here for job naukri.com, and for internshala this one. Naukri.com is really genuine, and this is also really genuine, and very frequently job notifications or internship notification comes. Okay, so always try for this. So how to apply now? So these were the points about this. So notice it, okay, and apply for it. Now, of course, for applying the internship, you have to prepare. Yeah. So whatever project you will do over here, one more website is GitHub. Okay. So when you will apply in internship, first of all, what they will ask is resume. Okay. So in resume, don't write much about 10th and 12th. Only write about BTech. Or it will be better if you write first sem, second sem, third sem, or first year, second year, third year. Write it. Nobody care about 10th, 12th. Because when I will apply, I'm not applying for any job. When I will apply, I will write only for MTech. Why I will write for BTech or 10th and 12th? I will not write. First only BTech, okay, on all sems, and after that don't write about your father's name or your address or something. Just write about what you know. They don't care about from where you are something. Okay, so suppose you are recruiting somebody, you are HR or something. Why you will care about my father's name? Why you will care about my address? You will more focus on if you will see, okay, AngularJS, okay, Node.js, if you will see Spring Boot, Python, and all that. So you will focus on that. So write all the descriptions. So you don't write it because you haven't done anything. That is the reason you don't write. If you will write it, why you will not? If you will do it, why you will not write it? So that is the reason you do all these 6 technologies and then do it. So resume. Okay, how to prepare resume? I told you first. So everything depends on these things, this technology. Until you will study, you will not jump on this. Until you will not jump on this, you cannot apply. Okay. So after preparing the resume, what you do is go in GitHub. Same like Facebook, same like YouTube, same like Gmail. Create account. After that, there is an option to upload the project. So write over, make one folder and write like. So wherever in Eclipse, if you will do project, it will get saved in some folder. Name that folder. Suppose that project is built on AngularJS. So write like AngularJS project. Okay. In that, upload every code and all. Okay. Upload every code and better. It must be like that. If you open it, again some folder should open. Right. Code will open. Second, make PDF report also. Go to MS Word and make report. Like if you have made one web page, so make a PDF of that, as you do in engineering, right? You prepare your project report for submitting in final year. So similarly, prepare the report for that. What you have done, share the snapshot of your system, of your laptop. So proper PDF file also must be there. Okay. So for this, one code section and one PDF report must be there. Again, you do it for whatever. If you have applied for Python, you do it for Python. Second, if you have done any project on using and do this project using YouTube, go to new version. He will tell you about that. After that, what you do is yeah, and one more. One is also Python in machine learning. Machine learning, I see a lot of internship is coming in machine learning, and it is very good, very fantastic domain. I am working on that domain. I will tell you, there are a lot of still call comes to me for a job. Many call comes for machine learning, and it is very best platform. Lot of jobs are there for that, and especially I see in because people are not there in industry still. People are not there in machine learning. So in the Internshala, I see lot of internship notifications related to machine learning. It is very important. So do something in machine learning. You comment me or mail me more. I can't explain everything in one video, so I will tell you about that. So after that, do some REST services. REST services. So similarly, whatever technology I told that time, in that make folder on that in GitHub. So, and there will be one link as like Facebook link. If you will share your Facebook link, and if I will copy paste it, it will open it, right? Similarly, copy this GitHub link and share to share in Naukri.com, share in Internshala. Sorry. So share in Internshala. What they will do is, before calling you, they will see your project, what task you have done. Okay, what tasks you have done, what tasks you have not done. They will see everything, and report will be there. So everything will be mentioned over there. So so this is how this will help you. This will help you in a way that they will give preference to you rather than those people who have not shared the link. And there is one more way to share the link, but GitHub is proper. By this, GitHub is GitHub is proper. Okay. What is GitHub? GitHub is a platform to share your code. Somebody get confused. What is Git? Git is a command, and it is a shell, as like a Windows shell. So GitHub is a website, or it is a technology in which you can share your code. Suppose I am working on code, and I am doing some code, and I will update it. When I will save it, it will update in Git. And suppose you are also working on that project only, say I will give you access on that. So centralized way. So if you will change it, it will get changed. So in the same thing, we both can work on that. So this is what GitHub is. To share your code, to work on the code, multiple people can work on the code, same code. Okay. So okay, fine. Yeah, there is one more way to do this, but this is very proper. Do this. This tells the recruiters that this guy is in final year and he know what GitHub is. So this is very good. Okay. Next is Gmail. Go to Gmail and go to Google Drive, and similarly make folder. A folder will be there in your system. So upload them. And if you will do right click on every folder, if you will do right click over here, okay, and make all this folder in one more folder, like, and name it like my projects, and right click over here, and you will get one shareable link. One link will be there. So copy paste that link and paste in your what is that, internshala.com and this naukri.com. So do this. Fine. So these were the things that I wanted to talk you about these things. So that's all. And finally, I will like to say you, don't forget, okay, and don't lose your hope. It is still, the hope is there, and hope is there. It means that if you are not doing these things, then you are a fool, I will say. Because there are a lot of jobs in computer science. You just need guidelines. There is no proper guidelines, that is the reason. And how to study, I told you, go to YouTube, and there are a lot of lectures, free lectures. The free lectures are there. People are helping out. Okay, people are helping you out throughout the world. People are helping you out. You just see in YouTube. In YouTube, just find these things. I told you, go to New Boston, see. In Java, in C, C++, everything. They will teach you about the whole project. Just download that project and do it. Further, if you need any help, then just email me or just comment me. I will discuss about that. Okay? Fine? Okay? So that's all. Okay.